Hi, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Is just a fact. I've worked about 10,000 cases, worked at IRS for over a decade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I try to show you the inside curtain of IRS. A lot of people on YouTube have worked cases at IRS. I've worked for the IRS and can tell you about almost any type of case that you have. So with that said, today I want to talk to you about IRS audit reconsiderations. Very few people know anything about IRS reconsiderations. So, many times IRS has set your tax liability up on what they call a substitute for return. And they've created an audit and you owe X amount of dollars. Many times you went through an IRS audit, you get the bill and says, man, I should have dedicated more time to this. I've got to go ahead and start paying this audit back. And then it makes you start to reconsider, was that audit right? So you can, at a point in time, after the case has been out, unless it's gone to tax court and you had a decision, you can't do that if the case has been to tax court and there was a decision made or you signed off on the decision. You can get a copy of the original audit and then look at your records and find out if you can submit more information to IRS. Now, if IRS has considered that information and they said it's not acceptable, IRS really isn't going to look at that. They do, but they don't. This case is about laying new information, a new argument, and giving IRS information. Many of you actually never have submitted any information, so the whole field is open to you. For those of you who have submitted, say, car vouchers and documentation, if they've looked at it, they're not. Now, IRS has a form. It's called a 12661 dispute issue verification. You don't have to, but it's really important that you download that form and send it to the IRS Audit Reconsideration Unit. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with you today telling you where to mail them and what to do. IRS has, if you Google IRS Audit Reconsideration process, they lay everything out for you, and you should go for it. If you don't follow this up, IRS is going to create this assessment, and they're going to come after you for the full amount of the money. And it doesn't do any good to say, well, but I meant to do this or meant to do that. IRS can hold off collections if you show them the actual IRS reconsideration audit that you actually send into them. I just want to tell you there's about 10 campuses that you can send these things to. Once again, if you go to what you should know about the IRS reconsideration program, you'll learn that the Atlanta campus, the Austin campus, the Brookhaven campus, the Cincinnati, Kansas City, Fresno, Ogden, Philadelphia. That's where you're going to get these. You want to send your package certified all the time, certified to IRS, never original documents. And you want to lay a case out really nice and neat. You want to once again have the original audit report. If you don't, you can ask IRS for the audit report. Go to irs.gov, ask for the original audit report, and they'll give you the audit report. And then you're going to take the information that you did not like or didn't match up and say, hey, IRS, I understand what you're saying, but here's new information and new information that wasn't considered. Maybe, like I said before, they never seen the original before. They have no idea what your package looked like. And that's just my secretary just dropping something. So anyway, at the end of the day, that's what you need to fight these. Don't let this thing go. And if you're started getting bills and letters from IRS, you must follow up. If you don't follow up with your CP 504 and your collection due process hearing at your 1058 letter, IRS is going to start sending levies and liens out against you. So once again, get that IRS audit in. Make sure everything is easy for them to understand. They have packs and packs and packs of paper and audit reconsideration stuck in there, all sorts. Some are neat, some are sloppy. The better package you get together, the better your case is going to go down. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, make sure it's nice and clean. If you have a small amount of money, you have a large amount of money you're dealing with, you best to hire a tax professional, us or whoever you use. Remember, the IRS audit reconsideration is to change an audit that was done on you at one time. If you like my videos, it's important you subscribe to me. When I have subscriptions, it shows my content has value, and if you certainly like me, I would appreciate, not like me as a person, just like the contents of my video. If you have a question you'd like to ask me or use my services, you can email me or phone me. And if you want me to cover something on YouTube, all you got to do is send me a link on my email, or you can send me by text. I will create a YouTube for you and answer your question. Thank you so much for listening today. I always appreciate your time.